Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start solving today's question. We are looking for a specific patient. Pull all columns for the patient who matches the following criteria. So here we can solve this question by using select, from, and then where. So these are all the clauses required because they have just given some conditions. This is it. There is nothing in this question, right? So from which table we are extracting? So that is patients. So select. So as they are saying that pull all columns, pull all columns. So that is simply by using star we can extract every column, right? So now here comes the conditions. First name contains an R after the first two letters. See, first name. See, we know that to find some patterns in a string, we can use like, right? We can use like. So like percentage. So and then there were two wildcards in while we are going with like, right? So that is underscore as well as percentage. See, as they are saying that after the first two letters, so we know that underscore represents one single character, right? So they are saying that after two letters, so after two characters, there should be R, and then there could be any number of letters after that R, right? So that is the reason I am going with this. Okay, first name, like two characters after R, and then any number of letters. So now, and the next condition is and identify the gender as female. Female. So gender is equals to female. Gender is equals to female. And what is the next condition? Born in February, May, or December. So see, we know that whenever there are a set of values, we can use in, right? We can use in. So year of birth rate in in. So we know that February is second month, January, February, March, April, May. May is the fifth month, and then December 12th month, right? So 12th month in. So we are if the birth rate is in second or fifth, if the sorry the month, right? Here it is month. It is month, sorry. So month should be in. It can be February, it can be May, or else it can be December. So if the condition, if the month is in these three, so it is satisfied. And then their weight between. So weight between 60 and 80. 60 and 80. So and the next condition is patient ID is an odd number. So mod of patient ID percentage 2, sorry, comma 2. So comma 2 equals to 1. So as they are saying here, it has an odd number, right? And they are from city Kingston, right? So here the specialty of this question is, it is very simple question, but we are using a number of methods, a number of concepts here. These are all the concepts which we have learned, but we didn't learn any question like back with every concept, right? So here this question is having some speciality of having many concepts. Okay, so let's check this. Yes, we got correct answer. Let's move on to next question. So our next question is, show the percent of patients that have male as a gender, round the answer to the nearest hundredth number and in percentage form. So simple, select from patients. So now what they're asking, so percentage. So how we can calculate percentage? See, it's number of male by total number of people. So we can get fraction, and if we can multiply it with 100, so we can get percentage, right? So we can get percentage. So now let us start solving. So count of. See, in the last questions, hard level questions, we have solved counting with case statement, counting with a condition. So here case when, so I am going with the condition when gender is equals to male, then 1, and N1, N. So here we are getting count of male, count of male. Now count of star. So count of star. So now here we got the see here we got percentage. Okay, percentage. Let me round this. Rounding. Let me round this to two decimals. Two decimals. Okay. Let me round this into two decimals. And then here they are sending round the answer to the nearest hundredth number and in percentage form. So here what we need to do is like, so it should be like 66%. So we need to add percentage symbol at the end. Okay. So what for that we can do concatenation, right? Concatenation, comma, percentage as percent. To show the percent of patients that have M as a gender, round the answer to the nearest hundredth number and in percentage form. So let us check this. So wrong number of arguments to the function count. So what's wrong in this case when gender is equals to then end? Okay. So round case when SD. So okay, let us here it doesn't have any mistake. Obviously it should not be yes. In as count. Sorry. Let's try here. Okay, fine. Let us try to debug this. Select count of round of count. See here, yeah, it is here. Here it should be concat. It should be concatenation, right? Sorry. So it's my bad. So we got correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.